that's cold riding in general, but part of cold riding, oh yeah, we're getting wet today, boys. Oh yeah, my pants are already soaked. Here we go. So you gotta keep the windshield kind of cracked, and that really sucks. Okay. See you later. Make little tracks around the no wake buoys here. Man, this thing grips pretty good. I don't trust it because I'm on ice, you know? Look at this, skating my foot on the ice. Woo! This is insane, guys. I've never done anything like this in my life. It's just so cool to be out here. I've been talking about doing this for months, and now the lake is finally, you know, frozen enough to where I could do this. It's sick. Just send it! It's insane, yo. I would drive by this lake and I'd see people do it, and I'm like, yo, that's insane. I'd love to do that. And now my buddy Jack, you know, he just said to send it, so we're sending it. I mean, just look how beautiful this lake is. It's just so nice. It's insane. We're literally driving here. Woo! Oh, that's the move, guys. Oh, yeah. Haha. That's my goal, guys. I want to start doing some wheelies. We're gonna get it. Alright, let's see. How about that, folks?
The reason why I tell you slow down, you know? The reason why I tell you slow down, because I got you.